To begin the registration process, go ahead and click on the either Get Started button or the Begin My Journey button. Once you click on either one of the buttons, it'll take you to the email registration. Go ahead and input the email that you'll be using to register for the course. You'll then receive a code in your inbox. You can go ahead and utilize the code that's been provided, the 6-digit code. Go ahead and click on it. You can copy and paste it or include it by memory. It's completely up to you. It's 6 digits. Input the code that you received in your inbox and click continue. Now this will take you to the home page where you'll be able to register and continue the registration process. You would answer the following questions. What is your IT experience and how would you like to learn? After you select the two, go ahead and click next. There's 2 more on the following page. Can you dedicate 15 hours a week learning with us, and do you have a high school diploma? Click next. The next page will be a short form. Just fill out your name and your phone number. Email is already preset because you already registered with it. And click submit. Now this registration is complete. Thank you.